Today we are going to learn about the structure of the human heart. Basically, the human heart is a muscular organ which pumps blood to different parts of the body. Being a muscular organ, it pumps the blood to different parts of the body. So, the human heart has 4 chambers in order to prevent the mixture of 2 types of blood, oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood are prevented mixing by the separation of the chambers. Now you see, lungs oxygenated blood. Lungs oxygenated blood. That means oxygenation of blood takes place in the lungs. This oxygenated blood from the lungs comes to the heart, especially on the left side of the heart. The oxygenated blood, oxygenated blood from the lungs comes to the heart on the left side of the heart, and this blood comes to the atrium. That is left atrium. The left atrium receives the oxygenated blood sent by the lungs. Then, when the left atrium contracts, the blood comes to the left ventricle. Okay, left ventricle. Then one point you should remember, the wall of the atrium is thin. Okay, thinner than the wall of the ventricle. This is the wall of the ventricle and this is the wall of the atrium. When we compare the thickness of the left atrium and the left ventricle, you will find the left ventricle, the wall of the left ventricle is thicker. Now, when the left ventricle contracts, the blood from the left ventricle goes to the aorta. Then from the aorta, the blood is supplied, that means the oxygenated blood is supplied to different parts of the body. Now again, we have concluded the mechanism of the left atrium and the the left atrium and the left ventricle. Now let us come to the right side of the heart. Okay, there are two there are two separate chambers, okay, in the right side also, just like we have seen in the left side of the heart. Now, what are the two chambers on the right side? Now you see, this is the right ventricle, and this is the right atrium. Now, how does blood collect from different parts of the body? Now you see, this is the superior vena cava or cava, superior vena cava, and this is the inferior vena cava. This is the inferior vena cava. The blood from the upper body. Now you see, this is upper body and this is lower body. Okay, lower body. Blood from the upper body is collected in the superior vena cava, and blood from the lower body is collected in the inferior vena cava. Both the blood collected from the upper vena cava, that is superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, will come to the right atrium. This blood which is being collected from the different part of the body is deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood. So the deoxygenated blood collected from different part of the body goes to the right atrium. Okay, and the blood from the right atrium again goes to the right ventricle. Now, one thing you should remember is this: blood from the right ventricle will never go to the right atrium again. That means the blood does not flow back. The blood does not flow back from the right atrium, from the right ventricle to the right atrium. It is because of the presence of the valve. Okay, there is a valve. There is a valve. Valve means one way. Okay, the blood goes in one way. Whenever it tries to go back, okay, then the valve will protect the back coming of the blood. Okay, the backflow of the blood is prevented because of the presence of the valve. The valve you see here in the right side of the heart is the tricuspid valve. Okay, tricuspid valve. Similarly, in the case of the left side of the heart, there is another valve which helps to protect the back coming of the blood from the left side of the heart. That means left chamber of the heart. That is left ventricle to the right, to the left atrium. Backflow of the blood from the left ventricle to the left atrium is prevented by a valve. The valve we find here is the bicuspid valve. Okay, bicuspid valve. So you find two types of valves on both sides. One on the left side, another on the right side. So the valve to be found on the left side is the bicuspid valve, and the valve contained in the right side is the tricuspid valve. Both the valves have their own purposes. Okay, the tricuspid valve is to prevent the blood flow of the blood from the right ventricle to the right atrium. In the case of the left side, you see, the blood flow of the blood from the left ventricle to the left atrium is prevented by the bicuspid valve. Now, the left side and the right side is basically separated by a wall. The wall we find here in the middle of the heart is what we call as the septum. So, septum is a wall which prevents the intercommunication between the left side of the heart and the right side of the heart. If there is no septum, then there may be intercommunication or interconnection between the left side and the right side. So, there is no interconnection, there is no intercommunication between the left side and the right side. It is because of the presence of the septum. Okay. Now, the blood from the right atrium goes to the right ventricle, and again, the blood from the right ventricle goes directly to the lungs. Goes directly to the lungs. Carried away by a vessel. Okay, vessel, blood vessel. Then, after the blood goes to the lungs, then the lungs oxygenated the blood. So, continuously there is blood circulation in the body by this process. Oxygenation is done in the lungs. Oxygenated blood is sent to the left atrium, and the left atrium again send blood to the left ventricle. But the blood flow of the blood is prevented by the bicuspid valve. Okay, so this system or the process continues. Okay, by and by with the help of its own functions. So the four chambers have their own purposes.